Top 6 Home Remedies for Cough, Quick Relief by Easy Home Remedies. Cough can cause due to the common cold, flu, viral infection, and other health issues. So here are the quick and effective home remedies to stop cough. Home Remedy 1. Ingredients required. 1. Honey. Directions. Take 1 tablespoon of honey at least 3 times per day for relief from cough. It will also very helpful relief for night coughing. Home Remedy 2. Ingredients required. 1. Salt water. Directions. Take 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it with 1 glass of warm water. Gargle it for 20 seconds and spit it. Rinse and repeat with the remaining water. Home Remedy 3. Ingredients required. 1. Lemon. 2. Honey. Directions. Take 1 tablespoon of honey and mix it with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Drink and repeat it after few minutes until you'll get some relief from cough. Home Remedy 4. Ingredients required. 1. Ginger. Cut the ginger into small pieces and boil it with 1 glass of water for few minutes until the volume reduced half of the glass. Then add 1 teaspoon of honey with this liquid. Take that liquid and warm it for few minutes and then drink it. Home Remedy 5. Ingredients required. 1. Onion juice, 25 ml. 2. Buttermilk, 1 glass. Directions. Mix the onion juice with buttermilk and drink it. It will help to reduce the dry cough. Home Remedy 6. Ingredients required. 1. Milk. 2. Pepper powder. 3. Turmeric powder. 4. Honey. Take 1 glass of hot milk. Then add ½ teaspoon of pepper powder, turmeric powder and honey. Mix it well and drink it twice a day for the best result. Please subscribe. Thank you. Please visit the below website for more remedies. EasyHomeRemedies.com